Hey, this is David Miller with the Miller Group of Keller Williams Realty. I'm here to help you get real estate smart. Today, I want to talk about what's happening within the Orlando real estate market. Interest rates are at their lowest point in the last 12 months. Local inventory has actually dipped in the past 3 months, and home prices have actually gone down for the first time in a long time. So the big question is are we seeing the start of a correction, or is this actually going to spark a new wave of demand here in Central Florida? Hang on and I'll let you know. All right, let's start with the interest rates in Orlando. Buyers have been squeezed over the last year and a half, 2 years, by higher borrowing costs. But the rate's now at a 12-month low. Affordability has actually improved. But, to put it in perspective, even a half-point drop in interest rates can save a buyer hundreds of dollars per month, and that adds up over time. That allows more buyers to jump into the market where they were not able to do it before, as well as investors that were sitting on the sideline. Next, let's look at inventory. For 3 straight months, the number of homes on the market that are active have declined. That means that buyers have fewer options, which can drive up competition for well-priced homes, and we're definitely seeing that in today's market. If you're a seller, this is great news, because if there's less homes on the market, there's less options for buyers to look at, which means that your home is going to stand out and attract offers more quickly, especially in popular areas like Lake Mary, Sanford, or Warden Garden. Some are asking, is this the beginning of a correction? The reality is, it could be more of a pause. Prices have been climbing steadily, slowly, over the last couple months as well as the year. And with limited supply, we may actually see prices stabilize or even pick back up if demand surges. So right now, there might be a window you've been waiting for, especially if you're a buyer. Lower rates make monthly payments more manageable, and if prices dip, you can get a better deal. But remember, with inventory down, competition could heat up quickly. For sellers, if you've been holding off on listing your house, this could be the perfect moment to do it, because buyers are coming back in the market. I know over last month with the new interest rates that pendings went up about 9 to 10% in Orlando, which is outstanding, and we'll see the stats when they come back out. And the other thing to note is that Orlando continues to be one of the fastest growing markets in Florida. With our strong job growth, international business hub, and all the lifestyle amenities that we have to provide, investing here remains a smart long-term play for investors. So is Orlando headed for a correction, or are we about to see a surge in demand? The truth is, it's a bit of both. Rates are giving buyers breathing room, inventory is tightening, and prices are adjusting. What happens next depends on how quickly buyers jump into this new market. If you'd like to know how these shifts impact your specific neighborhood or price point, my team and I would love to have an opportunity to run the numbers with you. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and if you have any thoughts on what I just mentioned, please post them below. Hope you make it a great day and hope that you are now real estate smart.